What is the mind? It's a question that has echoed through the halls of philosophy and science for centuries. The mind is our window to the world, the seat of our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. It's what makes us uniquely human. This includes our thoughts, both fleeting and profound. Our perceptions, memories, and even our dreams are all part of this enigmatic realm we call the mind. This debate between dualism and materialism has profound implications for how we understand ourselves and our place in the cosmos. If the mind is separate from the body, it raises questions about the nature of consciousness, the soul, and the possibility of an afterlife. If the mind is purely physical, it suggests that our mental lives are ultimately determined by the biological processes of our brains. In this exploration of the mind, consciousness, and the brain, we'll delve into the heart of this mystery. We'll journey into the depths of the human brain, uncovering the intricate workings of its billions of neurons and the complex networks they form. We'll explore the nature of consciousness, that elusive yet undeniable experience of awareness that makes us sentient beings. Our journey will take us through the latest discoveries in neuroscience, psychology, and philosophy, shedding light on the intricate connections between the mind, body, and brain. We'll examine how our thoughts, emotions, and experiences are shaped by the physical processes of our brains, while also considering the enduring mysteries that science is still striving to unravel. The human mind is a universe unto itself, a vast and complex landscape waiting to be explored. So join us as we embark on this captivating adventure, delving into the wonders of the mind, consciousness, and the brain. To understand the mind, we must first venture into the intricate world of the brain. Imagine a 3-pound universe, a labyrinth of billions of cells working in concert. This is your brain, the command center of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's the architect of your reality, shaping how you perceive the world. Let's delve into this fascinating landscape. But how does this complex organ actually work? Neurons communicate through electrical and chemical signals. Imagine a vast network of interconnected wires. Each neuron forms thousands of connections, creating a web of complexity. These connections, called synapses, are where the magic happens. When a neuron fires, it sends an electrical impulse down its axon. This triggers the release of neurotransmitters into the synapse. This intricate dance forms the basis of your thoughts, emotions, and actions. It's a symphony of neural activity, giving rise to the richness of your inner world. Section 3. The brain that changes itself. Neuroplasticity revolutionizes our understanding of the brain. Our brains are dynamic, shaped by experiences. We can change our brains through learning and practice. Think of a musician mastering a new piece. New neural pathways are forged, existing ones strengthened. This applies to any skill we wish to develop. Engaging in challenging activities promotes brain growth. The brain's complexity is a testament to evolution. Section 1. The feeling of being. Of all the mysteries the universe presents, none is more profound than the nature of consciousness. What does it mean to be aware, to experience the world subjectively, to feel the weight of our own existence? It's the feeling of the sun on your skin, the joy of a loved one's embrace. Consciousness is the foundation of our inner lives. Some have described it as the feeling of what it's like to be, and the subjective realm of conscious experience. Section 2. Windows to the world within. Consciousness is a spectrum with varying degrees of awareness. The unconscious mind shapes our thoughts and behaviors. Our deepest fears and hidden desires are influenced by it. The preconscious mind holds memories just below the surface. The conscious mind is where we engage with the world. But consciousness is not a static state. It's a dynamic and ever-changing flow, ebbing and flowing throughout the day and across our lifespans. We experience different states of consciousness, from the focused alertness of wakefulness to the dream-filled landscapes of sleep. During wakefulness, our conscious minds are actively engaged with the world. We're processing information, making decisions, and interacting with our environment. Our senses are heightened, and we're acutely aware of our surroundings. This state of focused awareness is essential for navigating the complexities of daily life. As we transition into sleep, our conscious awareness recedes, and we enter a realm of altered consciousness. Our brains cycle through different stages of sleep, each characterized by unique patterns of brain activity. During deep sleep, our brain waves slow down and we become less responsive to external stimuli. This stage of sleep is essential for physical restoration and repair. And then there's REM sleep, a stage of sleep characterized by vivid dreams and heightened brain activity. During REM sleep, our brains come alive with electrical activity, resembling the brainwaves of wakefulness. It's during this stage that we experience our most bizarre and memorable dreams, a realm where the boundaries of logic and reality often blur. For centuries, philosophers have pondered consciousness. Now science is unraveling how the brain gives rise to subjective experience. Neuroscientists use brain imaging to observe neurons and search for the neural correlates of consciousness. Imagine seeing your thoughts and emotions in real time. Technologies like fMRI and EEG let us glimpse the neural symphony of consciousness. Studying consciousness is challenging because it's subjective. By showing images during brain scans, researchers identify visual cortex areas that respond to different stimuli. While specific brain areas process sensory information and generate motor commands, consciousness emerges from the interplay of multiple brain regions, working in concert like a symphony orchestra. One key network is the default mode network, or DMN, active when our minds are at rest. It suggests the brain is intrinsically active, constantly generating thoughts and feelings. This activity shapes our sense of self and experience of the world. Section 3. Theories of the mind. Neuroscientists are identifying the neural correlates of consciousness, but how physical processes give rise to subjective experience remains a mystery. This is where science intersects with philosophy, grappling with the nature of consciousness. Global workspace theory proposes that consciousness arises when information is broadcast across the brain's neural network. Imagine a stage with a spotlight representing consciousness. Information from different sensory systems competes for access to this spotlight. When information enters the global workspace, it becomes available for other brain regions, leading to conscious experience. Integrated information theory suggests consciousness is a property of complex systems with high integrated information. According to IIT, any system that integrates information complexly will exhibit some degree of consciousness. These theories offer intriguing perspectives but are far from complete. The hard problem of consciousness, explaining subjective experience from physical processes, remains a profound mystery. The quest to understand consciousness continues to challenge science and philosophy. Section 1. The bridge between realms. For centuries, a philosophical chasm has existed between the mind and the body. Today, we're recognizing the profound connection between our mental and physical selves. The mind influences the body, and the body whispers back to the mind, shaping our health and well-being. This mind-body connection is grounded in scientific evidence. Stress can manifest as physical ailments, and positive emotions can boost our immune systems. The boundaries between our inner and outer worlds are fluid, with constant communication between thought, emotion, and physical sensation. Consider the placebo effect, where patients given a placebo often experience real improvements. Brain imaging studies reveal that the expectation of relief can trigger physiological changes. The placebo effect highlights the power of belief. When we believe something to be true, our bodies often respond accordingly. This phenomenon underscores the connection between our thoughts, expectations, and physical reality. Understanding this connection is crucial for holistic health. Section 2. When thoughts take physical form. The mind's influence on the body includes psychosomatic illnesses. Chronic stress and negative thought patterns can manifest as physical symptoms. These illnesses are real physical conditions rooted in the mind-body interplay. Chronic stress from demanding jobs or emotional turmoil can disrupt hormonal balance and weaken the immune system. Psychoneuroimmunology explores connections between the nervous, immune, and endocrine systems. Chronic stress can lead to elevated cortisol levels, increasing inflammation and health problems. Recognizing the mind-body connection is essential for addressing these conditions. Traditional medical approaches often focus on physical symptoms, but a holistic approach considers psychological and emotional factors. Techniques like stress management, mindfulness, and therapy promote healing and balance. Understanding the mind-body connection is key to holistic health. Just as the mind influences the body sends messages back to the brain. This bidirectional communication highlights our integrated nature. Consider the gut-brain axis, where gut bacteria influence mood and behavior. Gut microbes communicate with the brain via the vagus nerve. Imbalances in the gut microbiome can affect mental health. Research is revolutionizing our understanding of the gut-brain connection. Hormones also play a crucial role in the mind-body dialogue. Hormonal fluctuations influence mood, energy, sleep, and cognitive function. Cortisol can impair memory and focus, while serotonin regulates mood and sleep. Understanding this communication is essential for holistic health. The mind and body are in constant dialogue, shaping our well-being. Our conscious experience is not a fixed state. Our minds inhabit a spectrum of awareness from wakefulness to sleep. Beyond these states lie altered states of consciousness. These can be induced through meditation, drumming, or virtual reality. Altered states offer a glimpse into the hidden depths of the mind. Consider dreaming, where the impossible becomes possible. Dreams offer a window into the subconscious. The purpose and meaning of dreams are debated, but they highlight the mind's creative potential. During dreams, the brain generates sensory experiences and emotions. This internal world-building shows the mind's flexibility. Altered states challenge our assumptions about reality. They reveal the mind's remarkable flexibility. Exploring these states expands our understanding of consciousness. While dreams offer a glimpse into altered states, meditation offers a deliberate path. Cultures have long recognized meditation's power to quiet the mind and reduce stress. Meditation trains attention and cultivates awareness of the present moment. It's about observing thoughts and emotions without judgment. Neuroscience shows meditation's effects on the brain. Regular practice can alter brain regions involved in attention and emotional regulation. Long-term meditators have increased gray matter density in key brain regions. Mindfulness rooted in meditation manages stress and improves well-being. It encourages present-moment awareness without judgment. Mindfulness cultivates a gentle, non-reactive awareness. Meditation and mindfulness promote inner peace and well-being. Section 3. The Doors of Perception, Psychedelics and Consciousness. Psychedelics induce profound shifts in perception and emotion. Humans have long explored psychedelics for spiritual and healing purposes. Substances like LSD and psilocybin interact with serotonin systems in the brain. This can lead to heightened emotional states and a dissolution of self-boundaries. The psychedelic experience can be both exhilarating and terrifying. Research shows promising therapeutic benefits for conditions like depression. However, psychedelics require caution and respect. Their unpredictable nature makes them unsuitable for self-treatment. Responsible use requires careful preparation and guidance. Psychedelics offer insights into consciousness but must be approached responsibly. The hard problem of consciousness remains a profound mystery. How does subjective experience arise from physical processes? This question has plagued philosophers for centuries. Some argue consciousness is a fundamental property of the universe. Others believe we will eventually uncover the mechanisms of consciousness. Closely intertwined is the question of free will. Are our choices predetermined by brain processes? Determinism argues that every event is causally determined. Free will proponents argue for genuine capacity for choice. This debate has implications for morality and responsibility. Understanding consciousness and free will challenges our understanding of human existence. Artificial intelligence raises ethical and philosophical dilemmas. Will machines ever achieve consciousness and experience the world subjectively? The prospect of artificial consciousness raises profound questions. Would we treat sentient machines as tools or individuals? Advances in AI and neuroscience have profound implications for humanity. They could revolutionize medicine and enhance human capabilities, but they also carry risks, including ethical concerns about privacy and autonomy. The study of consciousness is a journey into what makes us human. We must proceed with caution and respect for conscious experience. The future of consciousness is actively shaped by our actions. Ensuring a future worthy of our highest aspirations is crucial. The quest to understand consciousness continues to challenge and inspire. As we draw this exploration of the mind to a close, we find ourselves humbled by the complexity of the human experience. The journey of understanding the mind is far from over. The hard problem of consciousness remains one of the most enduring mysteries. The human mind is a universe unto itself, with vast uncharted territories waiting to be explored. The pursuit of understanding the mind is not merely an academic exercise. It's a journey of self-discovery, a quest to understand the very essence of what it means to be human. The more we learn about the brain, the more we appreciate the precious and fragile nature of our own consciousness. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the mind, we must do so with a sense of responsibility and wonder. The knowledge we gain has the potential to alleviate suffering, enhance human potential, and shape the future of our species. Yet, it also carries with it the weight of ethical considerations as we grapple with the implications of manipulating the brain, creating artificial minds, and potentially altering the very fabric of consciousness itself. The journey of understanding the mind is a journey without end. It's a journey that takes us to the frontiers of science, philosophy, and the human spirit. It's a journey that challenges our assumptions, expands our horizons, and deepens our appreciation for the miracle of conscious experience. So let us continue to explore, to question, and to marvel at the wonders of the mind. Let us embrace the unknown with a sense of curiosity and awe. For in the pursuit of understanding our own minds, we embark on a journey that leads us to the very heart of what it means to be alive in this vast and mysterious cosmos.